Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today we're going to be working on my 2023 Honda Civic Type R. We're going to finally be putting a downpipe on that car. The mods on the Type R are long overdue, so this is one step closer to being full bolt-on. The only thing that's going to be missing now is going to be an exhaust and then the tune. And hopefully after that we have a video coming up on Chris's all-wheel drive 9th gen. He just blew the turbo. The turbo wasn't faulty or anything. It was Chris's doing, so hopefully we have an update. He's going to bring it to the shop because he took it home and then all that happened. So stay tuned for that. Remember, you guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. So here I have the Innovatig downpipe. I got it used off the same person that I got the intake. He had it wrapped and he included new wrap. So I'm gonna rewrap it, make it look pretty before it goes on the car. So got it rewrapped. The only ugly part that came out was a little bit here because I folded it over. And we don't have the tool to properly tighten these, so it kind of slipped back a little bit. But overall, looks okay. You won't really see this that much either, so top looks fine. So today we have 4 people here doing the downpipe.
It's 5. I don't need disrespect to broke over here.
I was actually not counting you. So, you know, Chris is lazy, so we're trying to do the short way around. It's gonna have to end up taking this out.
No, I don't, bro.
Well, let's see.
I took it off already. It's ready to move.
All right, bet. I'm gonna take off that gadget on yours. I'm gonna take off the shield.
I can't run it.
What?
Okay.
Yeah, you can.
There's no screws with it.
Huh?
The shield.
No, I'm talking about this thing.
Oh. You're the dumbass that wanted to take it off of mine. So
I took it off of yours. That's why I said I'm gonna take it off of this one.
Oh, I did say you don't want to.
When niggas argue just to argue.
Soaked in shit.
Yeah. Open the intake, boy. Look inside.
Put something inside the O2. Pa' que abran. Let's skip that one for now. You have a short one, and then I'll use an extension. So got 3 of them out, got the 2 bolts out, the back corner, this one, and then this nut. And of course the last one I'm on is the one that's getting kind of stuck. So hopefully I'm gonna try everything that I can to not have it snap. So that nut is still stuck there. Before I got more annoyed, I just moved on to swapping the top O2 sensor. I took out the little, whatever that's called, that goes on top because it looks ugly. Put that, just gotta add the defouler to the bottom, and I'm gonna go give this another attempt. Yeah, that didn't go too well. Always a simple job becomes a headache. I mean, I knew it was a risk, so now all I gotta do is take that out. So I got the splash shield off, and then that's all you need to do to get access. You're gonna remove this nut, that nut, and then that top nut. You usually don't give any issues with snapping and stuff like that. I already broke the bottom one loose, so just gonna do the other 2 and then move the front pipe out of the way. So there you go. Once I loosen those 3 nuts and then got this bolt out and this bolt out that hold the downpipe up, then it kind of just dropped loose. I pushed it back a little bit, it dropped down. I took this bracket out completely because it was kind of holding it, and then this one I was able to just slide to the side a little bit. So now I just gotta finagle this either up or down. I don't remember how we took out when we did Chris's Integra. So next piece I took out was that plastic cover. Got that out because you can see the downpipe is stuck on this metal bracket here. So I'm just gonna take out the 14 there and the 14 here, and that should give me enough room to take the downpipe off. It is out. Once I loosened this, pushed it out the way a little bit, it just came right down. So now I'm gonna have to adjust that stud that broke, obviously, but I'm gonna transfer the O2 sensor from that to this, put the defouler in, and hopefully that doesn't cause any check engine lights. So this is the setup. Is the Innovatig downpipe. It's Catless, so I have this defouler to hopefully avoid the check engine light since I do not have a tune. Now I'm gonna snake it back in through there. Oh, actually, I gotta adjust that stud. I almost forgot. So I'm gonna lower the car and try to get that stud extracted because I do have replacement ones. We have escalated to removing the front part of the turbo because I cannot get that stud out for the life of me. I already loosened the 4 studs that go to the motor. Got the whatever that's called, the wastegate thing out. Gonna loosen that clamp. And then there's another bolt there. And I think that's all that holds the turbo. Instead of taking the turbo out, gonna try to weld the nut right on there because it was getting annoying taking it out. Nope. Is it?
I can't tell.
I mean, either.
Stop fucking recording, nigga. Put a fucking light. Wait, why didn't you take it off?
I can't.
Why?
It's stuck on there. Unless you could try to. Everything is loose, but the turbo wheel or whatever that's fucking called, I have to slide it out. But then there's two studs up here. I was trying to clock it this way, but I can't clock it. So I don't know how to get it out.
Yeah, I was about to say.
Is it hot? So the stud is gonna stay broken because literally nothing we did was able to get that out. So it is what it is. So just gonna put the 3 other nuts, bolts, whatever, and get this installed because it's been way too long. The Innovatig downpipe uses this bracket, so I put this bracket back. I had a new gasket installed and the defouler, which hopefully keeps me clear from the check engine. All I gotta do is reinstall these plastics, which is easy, and we can get a sound test. Finally installed. Still missing that stud, but it is what it is. Couldn't be done. We tried our best. Just gotta upgrade the turbo. How frustrating it is knowing you could finish something in 30 minutes and it takes you hours. But the downpipe is finally done and I just free revved it there and it sounds pretty good. It's not super loud, has a little bit of more bass in it. So I know under load it's gonna sound a lot better. So I'm gonna go get some clips of that.